Okay, y'all, this is how I check to see who's following me on Instagram or who's following back and unfollow those that are unfollowing. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyway, here we go. So we go into Instagram. Okay, so we'll go back, open this one here on a different tab. You go to, first you check to see, this guy follows 336, has 336 followers, and he's following 900. Most likely he is following me. So you can check here by go unfollow, and if it says follow back, that means he's following you. So follow back, and I'm back in, and he'll probably get a notice that says that I started following. That's fine, and give him a little reward for being a good follower. Now close that one and go down to the next one. This one here started following me, and then I started following him. So we'll go open that, and we see he's got 8,000 followers, but he's only following 3,000. So we'll go here, hit unfollow, and he's not following me. That's why it says follow, and it doesn't say follow back. So since he's not following me, I'm not gonna follow him either. We'll close that out, and we'll go to the next one and open that one up. He's got 3,600 followers. He's following 2,037, and unfollow. And he is following me, so we'll follow him back. And I like these national park photos and videos. They're awesome. So, okay, next one. A lot of these that have a lot of followers and they're following very little people. Most likely they follow you, you follow them, and then they unfollow. So they're just trying to get followers. So it's like one hand washes the other, and then all of a sudden you got one hand washing them by itself. uh, so unfollow, and sure enough, he unfollowed. So um, see ya. Next one, Ricky, and he's got 13,000 followers. He's following 938. Unfollow him, and by unfollowing, you know if they're following you. If it says follow back, they're following you. If it just says follow, then they're not following you. And then if you like their content and you want to continue following them, that's fine. Um, but sometimes somebody follows you and then you follow them back, and then they unfollow because all they want is to get to 13,000 and not return the favor. So it's up to you what you want to do with that. And that's it. That's how easy it is. The only drawback is that when you unfollow and then you follow back, they're gonna see it on theirs as you just started following them. So um, most people know that already, but some of them are like, "Oh, what? Why did you just start following me if I've been following them forever?" That's why. Okay, that's it.